miss you in my life, Bruce. Hindi mo paglaruan ng lighter. Naintindihan mo? Hindi. Inubos mo yung pera. Akin eh. Hindi kita palabasin. Hindi kita palalabasin. Pauwiin kita dito. How are you, Bruce? I'm setting up the table. Tomorrow is my birthday, Bruce, and yeah, I am accepting early gift for tomorrow. Tomorrow is my 63rd birthday.